Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. Hi there birdies, today's little video is on the White-rumped Shama. First we'll see the female and then the male. It's only a short little video and I'm afraid not much action, but I'm sure you'll agree it's a beautiful little bird and well worth the watch. So the White-rumped Shama is a resident bird here in Thailand. Quite often at the photography hides it will show up, and it does tend to be a bit of a bully. There certainly seems to be a hierarchy in the pecking order when birds come down to feed. No pun intended about pecking order. Anyway, that's enough of the female, and now on to the male. As I say, these birds are pretty common, and if you want to find them, as we always say, if you want to find a bird, learn the sound. But it's not quite as simple as that, as the White-rumped Shama has been known to mimic other birds and has a huge range of vocalization. All very beautiful, mind. So, here's just a few. Well, that's it for another little short and sweet video on the White-rumped Shama. I hope you enjoyed it, and please, you know what I'm going to say. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Come on guys, if you're watching, just hit that subscribe button and maybe the bell button if you'd like to see more. Well, that's it for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.